Senhora Sarah Westcott de St. Martin também está contente com a reunião de IPCO trabalhando em sua totalidade. Algum ponto de mais discussão com o outro, pero com pensamento positivo para dialogar e solucionar cada um. St. Martin também é creyente firme de geschil en regeling e está espera de chegar a uma solução.
Of course, today, Thursday, was very much in the light of exactly that topic, the so-called dispute regulation or geschillenregeling. And while we are having some intense discussions about the further working out of this particular matter, I think it behooves all of us not to lose the gains that we have made already as parliaments. Parliaments in the past, on different occasions, have expressed their desire and the decision to have such a dispute regulation or a geschillenregeling. Today we occupied ourselves especially with what will that be? How will this body be formed? What level of authority will such a body have? Words like the independence of this institution and their decisions and the binding nature of their decisions are very important. But again, I want to stress that it is clear, in our opinion, that the parliaments of the kingdom are very clear in their position that such a regulation must come. I think that the governments have been having more of an issue in dealing with this matter. That makes it even more important that the parliaments can give direction. So we need to, during this IPCO, get out of this matter at least with some basic understandings without losing the gains that we have had.
Sin embargo, no me ser olvidar que ya acaba a logra.
Motions and decisions taken by the parliaments already on this matter. And I hope that by the end of today, we will be a step further and we will have some concrete decisions as far as the geschillenregeling is concerned.
Também está satisfecho com o outro tópico na qual deliberar e budget.
Use of, amongst other things, the regulation of the governor. Of course, that was a hot topic during these discussions, but I think ultimately all of it ties into, and let me add that because of the instructions to the governor and the use of the regulation of the governors, the matter of the screening of ministers also came up. However, all of that tie into if you have such an issue, and there was an issue between the countries and the kingdom as far as the instructions were concerned. Where do you go? So that is why all of the emphasis today is on a geschillenregeling, a dispute regulation, because you clearly had a dispute, be it on the interpretation or otherwise, between not countries per se, but countries and the kingdom. Where do you go when there is such a dispute? So all of that ties in to what we're discussing today, the so-called geschillenregeling.
Banda de apunto ng aqui tem vários aspectos positivos com a sali for the reunião.
Also had very positive discussions, for example, on the matter of political parties and where do the different political parties in the different countries stand in terms of their organization. Is there something we can learn from each other as political parties? So you also had those somewhat in the margin of, but these discussions also came up. So there are also some very positive discussions that are taking place, but that does not mean that we should move out of the way of the other important elements like a geschillenregeling, like the decisions that are taken by a kingdom government, and tying into that is of course a democratic deficit. So these discussions, they have been on the table and are still on the table, and every little step that we can make to solving them.
Para Notícia Boa Noite, a Simon.